So you think you have eaten tasty curry dishes already? Well, I dare you to try mine and tell me it's not the best one ever. The explosion of flavor in this curry is incredible and I bet you will love it. It all starts with preparing your veggies. The broccoli is cut into small pieces. I will also throw a carrot in there, 3 shallots onions, chopped finely. I usually start cooking the rice first. I make brown rice, so it will take a bit longer, but has more nutrients. 1 cup of rice and 2.5 cups of water. Also a great addition to the dish is tofu. Very healthy and nutritionally packed. We will cut it into 3 slices and I have a kitchen towel just for pressing the water from the tofu. You can also use kitchen paper. I will gently put pressure on top of each slice and the towel will absorb the water. I will repeat the process on the dry side of the towel. Here you see the spots that absorb the water content. We do this so the tofu will become crispier when baked or fried. I will cut the tofu into small cubes, probably around 1/2 centimeter or less, but the size doesn't matter anyway, right? When it's done, I will place them on a baking tray and I will bake them for around 15 to 20 minutes. For the veggies, we start with frying our onions. You can do it on oil. I want to show that it's also possible on just water. After 3 minutes, add the green beans and cover it with a lid. Let's simmer for 5 minutes, watching if it needs some extra water. 8 minutes in total on the pan, and then I add the carrots and the broccoli. Lid on top again and let it cook on medium heat for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, we prepare the curry sauce. In a blender, place your red curry paste. Mine looks a bit like a... Followed by coconut milk, lemon juice, garlic cloves, you use as much as you like, then soy sauce or aminos, peanut butter, it can be also any other nut butter, and finally we add also the veggie broth. Time to blend it up. We stir and check our veggies if they are soft and good enough for our taste. Now the tofu should be done. We add it to our cooked veggies, pour the sauce on top and bring it to a boil. Just for a minute is enough. And then just leave it to simmer on low heat until the rice is done. You can cook the sauce longer if you want it to be thicker. When your rice is done, we can prepare our meal. This part is probably obvious, but I will say it anyway. Put your rice on your plate and add the veggies with our curry sauce. I like to garnish my curry also with some extra peanuts on top and some lemon. Some people also like to add fresh coriander on top. You can try it too if you want to. But it's not really necessary because this curry is already super amazing. Okay, don't forget to chew the food before you swallow it and breathe when eating this delicious dish. Okay, that's it for the video. See you next time.